Okay, ready?
Yes.
Good night, construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might. To build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. What is that?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. What is that?
Crane truck.
Very good. What's that?
Dirt truck.
Very good. What's that?
Excavator.
Excavator. Very good. What's that?
Cement mixer.
Very good. The sun has set. The work is
done.
It's time for trucks to end their
Fun.
So one by one they'll go to
Bed.
To yawn and rest their sleepy
Heads.
Then wake up to another
Day.
Of rough and tough construction.
Play.
Working hard to help his
Team.
Crane truck raises one last
Beam.
Reaching, stretching, lifting.
High.
He swings the beam into the
Sky.
He'll set it down right on its
Mark.
Then off to bed. It's almost
dark.
He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy
Head.
Grin,
He
tucks himself in nice and
tight.
Then cuddles up and says,
Good night.
Shh. Good night, Crane truck.
Good night, Crane truck.
Spinning, turning all day.
Long.
Cement mixer sings his whirly
song.
Now he's
weary.
And so
Diddy.
From the fun that keeps him
busy.
With one last spin he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny,
bright,
pulls up his chute, turns off his
light.
He cuts his engine, slows his
drum,
and dreams sweet dreams of twirly
fun.
Shh. Good night, cement mixer.
Good night, cement mixer.
Good night.
Good night.
Dump truck loves to work and
haul.
He carries loads both big and
small. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
There's Emmy, Lexi, Sammy, Daddy.
Yeah. He moves the dirt from place to
place.
Then dumps it with a happy
face.
When final load spills on the
heap.
Now dump truck's tired and wants to
sleep.
He lowers his bed and locks his
gate.
Rests his wheels, it's getting
late.
He dims his lights, then shuts his
doors.
And soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck.
Good night, dump truck.
Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. He clears the way to level
ground
and fills the air with thunderous
sound.
No one's as tough and strong as
he,
but now he's sleepy as can
be.
He puffs some smoke out of his
stack.
Turns off his engine, stops his
track.
He curls into his soft dirt
but
and dreams of busy days.
Hot. It's
Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Scooping gravel, dirt,
Down.
Excavator shapes the,
Land.
he digs and lifts throughout the,
Day.
but now it's time to end his,
Fly.
a few more holes to dig and
Soon.
he'll roll to bed beneath the,
Mm-hmm.
he twirls upon his bumpy,
Rock.
pulls up his boom, stretches his,
Back.
he sets a scoop down on the,
Ground.
and snuggles up without a,
Sound.
good night, excavator.
Excavator.
Good night. These big trucks so tough and
Loud.
they work so hard, so rough, and
Loud.
tomorrow is another
Day.
chance to work and
Play.
turn off your engines, stop your,
Rocks.
relax your wheels, your stacks, and
Box.
no more huffing, no more huffing and puffing.
Team.
It's time to rest your heads and
Rooms.
construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the
Light.
great work today now. Shh. Good night, Maxie.
Night that. I want my book. Please.